Hey, hello everyone. Again, this is Tejal from Sunmal Software, and today I'm going to explain you how to configure office clock-ins for employees in HR configurations. Just click on HR module, then click on Office Clock-in Out. Just go to this four dots and click on Add New. Select Employee. Select that employee date of work. Then select Start Time and then enter end time. Your total spend time will be available over here. Just save that entry. Your office clock in will be added. Then you can easily edit and delete that entry through these actions, and you can add break through these actions. Just update the time for break. Total break time will be available over here, and just save it. Your break will be added. This is how HR can configure employees clock in outs and break in this page. You can quick search any employees through this actions given over filter, and you can quick refresh it through this refresh button. If you get any query to add this office clock in outs and breaks, then please contact us at the sunmallsoftware.com. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.